Man, it is freaking windy out. We are headed to go pick up that blue ZX10R. Well, not necessarily pick it up. So I'm going to help my buddy load it up in his trailer, and then he's gonna drive it over here so I can fix it up so that we can have a running bike. We're almost there, but I was sitting here and I was thinking, and I think I've decided when ZX10R hits 2,000 subscribers, that is when I will go and buy another bike for this channel. I don't know why that light's flashing red, and I know other people were stopped, but fuck them. I'm going. But yeah, so I think we're almost to the ZX10, but I do think that when ZX10R hits 2,000 subscribers, I'm gonna go buy an additional bike for the channel. I know I want to buy a bike this year. I don't know if we're gonna hit 2,000 subscribers this year, but I decided to give myself like a little milestone, kind of like a challenge, I guess. I know for a fact I want a new bike, and I haven't decided what I'm gonna get just yet. I'll probably post a poll up when we get closer to that point. I definitely think it's gonna be either a ZX14, an S1K. S1K is kind of pushing it. I'm not rich. I do pretty well, but I'm definitely not rich. So it's gonna either be a ZX14, an S1K, potentially a naked bike, or a 600, maybe a CF Moto, especially if that V4 or V2, whatever the one that they're coming out with, that 1000. That or the 750. 750 sounded sick too. Or even a 675. I mean, I've got a leader bike. I'm not talking about getting rid of the R1. I'm just talking about adding a bike to the collection, something a little bit newer, more reliable. And that's where the S1K kind of pushes it, because I want to get something relatively new. Not brand new necessarily, but semi-new. There's that thing. I just recently re-uploaded this to my channel. The last time I rode this was 7 years ago. Gonna redo a video on it again, but he's got to get a new screen because that's problematic. Oh god. Well, that's gonna be nasty too. Oh no, it's not. We just have to move one box. The best running car he's got is that Corvette, and he leaves it sitting. Oh, there she goes. All right, well, I got the bike loaded up, and he's gonna bring it by in a little bit. Right now, I gotta get back to the house because the wife has to go to work. But, you know, I filmed all that, and I didn't even film loading it up on the actual trailer. I thought I was filming, so I was like, oh, it's cool. Wasn't filming any of that. And once I realized that, I was like, yeah, man. That was kind of the point. It's filming picking it up, and the main part of it was missed. It's all good though. So I guess here in a minute, with the magic of editing, time's gonna pass and that thing's gonna be getting unloaded at my house. All right. We'll just try to be quick.
No, that's right. We can be quick, and then I can just back into the yard right next to the driveway.
I don't care if you leave oil in the driveway. All right, it's here in all of its glory. All right, so we got the ZX10 here. And all the parts for it, he's got them, and they're just not here yet. But some of the first things we got to focus on. So originally it had a cracked, broken crankcase cover from where it was wrecked in the past. And there is a stripped bolt, or a broke off head in here that we're gonna have to get out. So that's the big roadblock we got right now. We're gonna be doing a full frame swap on it. So we got a new frame. This frame, we couldn't get it. I'll do an explanation of that on another video. I think we're gonna keep the stretch. He's gonna get the undertail exhaust. I may try to pick it up if I can find it cheap. And then he's got all the fairings, but he's potentially gonna swap the foot fairings. And what else we got going on? But yeah, overall we got to make sure it runs. This battery's like seized up in here because they forced a battery that was way too big for it into it. So we got to get that out of there. My friend reupholstered the seats already. Those were, I don't know if I had them on the other channel or not. If I did, I will post that to this channel because this project bike is now going to be part of this channel. Then we got to figure out this wiring harness. There's some splices and stuff that were jacked up, so we got to, I think it was all up in here. They kind of did some creative things. But yeah, 2006 ZX10. And then once it's up and running, he said I could do a week of living with this bike. So I'll choose a week that I can actually ride it back and forth to work. And that's going to be fun as well.
Why do you buy those?
So actually, he just corrected me. This bike, once the new frame is a 2007. So right now it's an 06 with this frame. It will be an 07, but they're the same body style. But yeah, we got a lot of work ahead of us. So subscribe to the channel. This is going to probably be multiple videos. It's going to be a long process, but we're going to get it all put together.